LeafBlaster Pro by Gutter Glove. Advanced gutter protection technology for those who demand professional-grade quality for their home, combining the best of what we've learned from over 20 years of gutter guard innovation. It starts with a sturdy all-aluminum rail, providing strength and rigidity under wet debris. It's supported by stainless steel micromesh, capable of filtering everything from leaves and pine needles to roof grit and pests, withstanding whatever Mother Nature throws at it. And it's all wrapped up in patented can't-get-it-anywhere-else technology. Z-Bend lifts debris off the mesh so it blows away easily in the wind. The unique trough design ensures water flows into your gutter, not over it. 316 stainless steel mesh delivers season after season protection. And best of all, it fits on any gutter or roof type. Combine all of that with a 40-year warranty, and you can see why hundreds of thousands have chosen LeafBlaster Pro. Join the movement. Do it right, do it once. Choose LeafBlaster Pro by Gutter Glove.